few domestic updates, what we are now learning as far as what's happening within the Karnataka Sarkara, because the Congress leadership is now in a high-stake huddle over the possible cabinet expansion. Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, who's already in the national capital, is expected to hold talks with the party high command. With discussions underway, all eyes will be now on the final formula that could actually decide the next big reshuffle in the Karnataka government. So let's put out exactly a big update that is now coming in, or what we are now looking at the likelihood when it comes to D.K. Shivkumar, who would be engaging in talks with the party high command. Of course, there are several positions that still remain vacant in his cabinet, but upon his swearing in, there were senior leaders within the cabinet either not very happy with the portfolio that was allocated or complained that they had been sidelined, and hierarchy or seniority is something that was overlooked. So there seems to be another sort of discontent within, and will Karnataka Chief Minister bring that up to the party high command, because the final decision that rests with them. But it will be interesting to see how we look at the developments that have been unfolding, because this remainder of the two-year term, now that D.K. Shivkumar is the Chief Minister, we will be talking about exactly when it comes to both D.K. Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah being in the national capital, holding talks, and we'll see exactly if the issues of those who are unhappy, who believe that they have been sidelined, who believe that their portfolio should be changed, will be put under consideration within the Congress party top brass. So we're expecting the talks to happen today. We'll connect with Varshini right now, because we're getting another reporter from Delhi to get you exactly what's the focus now that has shifted from Bengaluru to the national capital. So Varshini, important update now coming in. What are we looking at, especially when it comes to cabinet expansion? Because a lot of them, the Congress leaders from within, are now eyeing these important posts within the cabinet.
Well, the Karnataka cabinet is something that is making everybody look forward to, because it's been over a month that D.K. Shivkumar and his few cabinet ministers swore in, and it has been a long-standing decision that the Congress High Command has to make at this point, because there is almost 20 vacant posts in the Karnataka cabinet that has to be filled at the earliest. For instance, there is no minister for the agricultural department with the drought, that is expected to happen in Karnataka with the rainfall deficit. It is very important and essential that the Congress High Command takes a decision on certain ministries, and with the lobbying that we've been seeing in the past 1 month on over that has been actually intensifying, where several leaders from several parts of Karnataka and their cadres and supporters have been protesting, demanding cabinet berths for their respective leaders. And today we are also going to witness an important meeting that would happen in Delhi with the party's high command, with the state leadership also present there. We know the Chief Minister is in Delhi, the former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is also in Delhi. They're supposed to meet Mallikarjun Kharge today and finalize on the names that they have from their side. And it is also given to understand from our sources in Congress High Command that after the decision of this 20 cabinet ministers is taken by them, they will be meeting with Rahul Gandhi further to finalize these names. And we are also seeing factionalization happening inside the KPCC. Particularly, there is a set of ministers who Siddaramaiah wants to push in. There are a set of people who D.K. Shivkumar wants to push in. There's also a set of leaders that Mallikarjun Kharge wants to push into the cabinet. So there's a lot of
camp within camps that we are now looking at, and not ruling out exactly when it comes to this important meeting that is now lined up, because it is going to be the presence of both the Chief Minister and the former Chief Minister, who would be engaging in talks with the party high command. Please to stay on with us, Varshini, as we speak of this big breaking update coming in over the cabinet expansion buzz. Now, Times Now has accessed the list of the probable names being discussed for the upcoming expansion. Sources suggest as many as 37 leaders are in the race for cabinet berths, with the final decision, of course, expected after the crucial high command meeting and the consultations that will be taking place in the national capital. So we've got a breakdown exactly what we are now looking at, because several posts still remain vacant. Nyamika, good morning. As far as the Karnataka cabinet is now concerned, and D.K. Shivkumar now as the Chief Minister is now looking in to fill those vacant positions.
Well, yes, indeed. Now, all the senior leaders of the Karnataka state unit are currently camping here. It is not just the Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, but also the former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, as well as the PCC President B.K. Hariprasad. All of these leaders are currently here in the national capital, along with their own, supported MLAs who are also being here basically they are also seeking time from the party high command, because now the cabinet expansion is also on the cards, and till now there is no confirmation about the timing of this particular meeting. The senior leaders are also waiting for any kind of confirmation or any kind of appointment from the party leadership, because now currently there is going to be a parliamentary strategy group meeting which is going to take place at 11 o'clock at the residence of Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and after that only we can expect that there can be a meeting for the Karnataka state unit as well, where there are going to be discussions about the cabinet expansion which is going to take place today morning, in which Rahul Gandhi as well as KC Venugopal are also expected to be a part of this entire consultation, which is going to be done not just with Mr. D.K. Shivkumar but with Mr. Siddaramaiah as well. Yesterday,
well, it will be interesting to see how long that it takes for them to continue with the consultations and to arrive with the decision there as far as the cabinet expansion, or rather if we call it a reshuffle, that would be taking place in the D.K. Shivkumar government in Karnataka. Appreciate you joining us, Nyamika. Please do stay on with us, Varshini.